Credentials Automation Private Limited label designing software for TSC printers with SAP communication. Concept of label designing software. Using TSPL commands, text pixel and barcode pixel, width and height of printing text and barcode taken from printer at runtime. Let's see actual working. TSC printer connected with USB port to the computer running label design software. Let's design new label. We get the label properties on right hand side. Like width of label, height of label, density, speed, printer DPI, code page, post print action, media type means gap, or black mark, or continuous stationery. Pre-printed label image if any. And other SAP related fields used for SAP communication. Now, TSC printer connected on USB port. Now, we will get a text field in software having TSC font 0 and height to width ratio as 10:10. Now, we can see that it's taking time for the text field to get its width and height. This happens because width and height for the text EJ taken from printer. Here, the software downloads the BAS program in printer memory and executes it. Inside BAS program, printer executes the text pixel function to get width and height of printing text. The reply given on USB port. Reply given in number of dots. The dots are then converted to millimeter depending on DPI of printer used. So, at the time of label design, we need to connect the printer with software on USB port. Here, we can see the capl.bas program getting downloaded in printer memory. This BAS program executes the text pixel function to get width and height. And it gives reply in dots on USB port. Now, we will see 1D barcodes and 2D barcodes. Same logic used for 1D barcodes also. Only, instead of text pixel, the function barcode pixel used. Function text pixel used for 1D barcode human readable text. Different types of 1D barcodes are supported. For 2D barcodes and images, number of required dots are calculated. Further size calculated in mm. QR code, data matrix, and PDF 417 are supported. Any type of image converted to monochrome image by software. The image width and height then calculated by a special formula developed by observation. Image type can be PNG, JPG, BMP, etc. Other printing, like box, line, both horizontal and vertical are also supported. The width and height for the same calculated by getting the number of dots. Box thickness, line thickness can be changed. TrueType fonts are also supported. The TrueType font data, printed as an image only. Means, TrueType font text, first converted into monochrome image. Downloaded in printer memory. And then printed. Other properties like orientation for all text, 1D barcodes, 2D barcodes, TrueType fonts are also supported. Can copy, paste, and delete the objects. Undo process also supported. Now after designing, we will print the label. For better understanding, the printer commands are shown here. Let's print the label. After giving print command, the required images for logos, and TrueType phones are downloaded in printer memory and the corresponding label getting printed. Here the print quantity and print repeat quantity taken as one. Actual quantity controlled by SAP data, which we will see when understanding the SAP communication. Label design can be saved or existing label can be saved as on computer. The label file will be having CAPL as the file extension. The label file can be read and modified using CAPL label design software only. If the label file tampered or modified by any other program, then it cannot be opened again in the label design software. The corresponding error will be displayed in the software for same. Now, we will see the SAP communication.